Welcome back to True Nation X.
I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and I've got
Love with Food.
Now that's an echo there. And we're going to do back-to-back videos, so if you see us in the same clothes, that is why. And it's weird because we're almost wearing like similar-ish colors, and that wasn't planned, so I'm really excited for this box. It's really light though, like I'm like, la, la, la. I don't know, but we'll see what it looks like when I open it. I forgot they're curated by Snack Nation. I think they're always going to be curated by Snack Nation from now on. Did I ruin it with
moving it around?
I see some things I like in there, but it says fuel your focus on this card here. So let's see if that has to be like a theme or something. Thank you. You are awesome. This box helped in the fight against world hunger. Cool. That's true. If you do buy, that is the one thing. Did I ever mention that with Love with Food? If you buy like a deluxe box,
I think
I'm not sure if you do the smaller ones. I can't remember, but I think they donate a box to somebody who needs food. So it says, Love with Food by Snack Nation. We're on a mission to inspire more conscious food decisions. We do that by connecting you with delicious, healthier food you love. Help us tailor your experience by sharing your valuable feedback and earn 50 points for every review you give at, and it has the website. I'm always like shaking while doing me. Sorry, not strong arms anymore. Let's see, what did I get? I wanted like brownie brittle, so we'll see. This is Drizzleicious Crunchy Drizzle Bites with rice, chia, quinoa, and flax. Mini rice cakes with dark chocolate. I like rice cakes. So
sounds slightly healthy.
I mean, yeah, I like rice. Somebody ate all my last rice cakes, so not very happy about that. I blame my husband or my kids. Meat Zellies Easy Strawberry Grams Whole Grain. It's when I start getting things like this that I'm like, okay, am I getting a children's box? But maybe they try to give it, you know, something for everybody, which I mentioned before, like maybe for the whole family. But I'm just like, kids.
Well, her kids are almost teens, like preteen teens.
Yeah,
even
so it's
like little baby she doesn't have anymore.
This is quinoa chips sea salt, Simply 7. Sounds good. And this box again is about $20 a month. So last time I think I counted 15 snacks for 20, so it's not that bad. Cookies. Oh, they're giving us his stuff again. I think he was a musician who became like a gourmet popcorn maker. If I googled it right. Gourmet popcorn movie time butter. Sounds like really fattening though. I wish it was like lightly salted and not, you know, light butter, not heavy butter. Trying to do the big things. 100 calorie pack pretzel peat nuggets, honey mustard and onion. I don't know who, I mean, that might taste good, but I wouldn't
Anyone in my family would like it.
I was like, I wouldn't.
The same.
And then Harvest Snap Pea Crisp. I barely ever eat snap peas, but like this maybe I would. And I think I've seen this in the store, I feel like, but that's a good snack.
And I don't like fresh like snap peas either, but
9 grams of protein.
I've never tried like crisp, but
who thinks peas would have like protein in them? I did not know that. That's something new. Verb, that's an interesting name. Energy Company Maple Blueberry Caffeinated Energy Bite. They always give me, I don't know if it's this company or the other one that gives me all this caffeinated stuff, but I don't get the other food companies anymore. But I'm like probably blocking the whole name of the the name of the company, but it's Verb, like V-E-R-B, like an adjective. I'm just kidding. But let's see. All these are small now. Super Seeds, dark chocolate, and sea salt. I get big bags of these, but they're just pumpkin seeds that are just regular pumpkin seeds, like roasted or whatnot. This one's got dark chocolate and sea salt, so yummy. I don't know, some of this stuff is weird. On the go fusion snack, edamame and berries fusion, roasted and salted edamame bean trail mix, infused with cranberries and strawberries. Trail mix. Who doesn't have some kind of trail mix?
So yeah, protein in your carbs.
Okay, let's see. What is this one? RX bar. I just got one of these in my Pinch Me box for kids. This one's 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates, no BS. It's pumpkin spice. Okay, that's what I'm excited about. I'm like, thank you, Love with Food, for doing something.
We have like their chocolate sea salt one, I think, and I'm like, I don't like it.
This one I really want to, because I love me some jerky. This is maple barbecue pork stick, gluten-free by Field Trip, I think. Get out there. I might be wrong, but that's the beef. It's a good size. I'm like, good size.
Pork, not beef, right?
Well, pork stick. But what was it? Pork jerky, I guess. I'm used to saying beef jerky. Pork jerky. Or I get like the turkey kind or whatnot. Let's see. Original recipe, 4th and Heart, ghee, butter, original recipe, grass-fed, lactose-free.
We use that in some of our recipes to cook with.
Pure spreadable butter. Okay. I don't know what I guess I can put that on toast or something. I'm going to start dropping things. They did give a lot of things. It's my turn to drop things. Simply Wholesome Oatmeal Bar, 8 grams of whole grains. It's apple by Appleways. Yeah, some of these things, I think they gave me a strawberry one last time. I still don't think I've even eaten it yet. So, and this is paleo, vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free Jana banana, the original banana bar with coconut.
Dun dun dun.
I was gonna go dun dun dun. So I have 3 coworkers who like coconut, so they're gonna get this either them or somebody, because I don't want coconut, and I tell them they keep giving me coconut, like people all over the world. I've gotten this one before, the tahini super seed energy bar. I got it when this one just says cocoa nibs, but I swear I got one of these and it was very like interesting tasting. Like I think it had like, I don't remember if it gives you energy or something, but it kind of had like a weird taste a little bit. And I shared it with my daughter, and I was like, here, Kira, you can have the rest. I didn't want it, but Sunripe fruit to go, apple raspberry, like a little fruit strip. And so gluten-free, nut-free, and vegan. There's that, and then there's only, I think, like one more thing. There's the Marique handcrafted chocolates, dark chocolate sea salt caramels. This I would want because when I want sugar, I want sugar. So fair trade cocoa. So dropping everything. It's only 60 calories. And then they just give me some cards. Save 20%, use code LWF12 wonderbeauty.com. So there's that. And there's the other side. The other side. And then there's Lola Purity products you can trust. They always give me this. Tampons made with 100% organic cotton and all natural wipes. That's cool. But I mean, I just get mine at the store. So there's that. As I drop everything. And then the normal HelloFresh for dinner, stress and dinner time, $50 gift card, 25 off your first 2 deliveries. This is like awesome. I just don't feel like we have money for it at this time, but one day. And then, oh gosh, I'm dropping everything. Everything should just fall down. Celtic and Company, 15% off, treat yourself. And then it says retreat a friend. So there's just some coupons. I don't know if it has a code on there. Oh, use code US18LA by December 9th. And lastly in my box, there's Keurig 20% off site-wide at Keurig.com. There's a code. I'll try to get super close for that one. I know I have a Keurig and I haven't used it in so long, but I would love to use it. I'm sad I haven't used it. But that was it for this box. Let me know what you guys think, if it was good products, or if you would eat the stuff, or if you guys like coconut or don't like coconut. I can always send coconut to you guys. And then this was our last video, our most recent video that we've made since we got to 100 subscribers. So we wanted to say thank you for subscribing and getting us to 100. Yay, we're past 100 now. We're at like 103, I think, which excites us because, you know, we're just like people who work full time and we like to do YouTube. So we're going to do our giveaway very shortly. Probably by the weekend we'll have everything gathered together. And then we'll do a giveaway video, which you'll see in that video. You do need to be subscribed, which I'm sure all of you are. And you'll have to put on that contest that you want to be entered into and all that sort of thing. So we'll make that known on that video. And so we look forward to doing that with you guys. And it's what we can do to give back to you guys for subscribing. We appreciate all of our, you know, viewers and subscribers. And you'll see us in our next video just the same. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe to be part of that future giveaway because it's happening in just a few days. And we'll see you in our next video. Take care. Bye.